Oh yeah, also look, not only is this the place where weather radios come to flourish, this is the place where weather radios come to die. This is where that goes to die. And then, oh crap, you know, no weather alert. Hold on.
Thunderstorm warning for north central Pasco County in west central Florida, south central Hernando County in west central Florida until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hernando County Airport over near Springville and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Spring Hill, Hernando County Airport, Town, Shady Hills, and Garden Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pasco, Florida.
Oh no, wait, no, the other one's gonna relay it again. Here we go again. Watch this.
Thunderstorm warning for north central Pasco County and west central
By
Florida.
the way, I don't understand anything you're saying right now because it's just all garbled and static.
Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hernando County Airport over near Springville and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated.
Let me go to a
Impact:
location
hail damage to
where I
vehicles is
can
expected.
actually, like, properly...
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Spring Hill, Hernando County Airport, Town, Shady Hills, and Garden Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
You don't want to be here when there's a
severe
weather.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Pasco, Florida.
I think I've demonstrated
A
the
special
fact.
weather statement from the KHB 32 listening area for the following counties in Florida: Coastal Hillsborough.